The key difference between an effective kick and an inefficient one lies in your ankle flexibility. So here's a simple routine to help you improve your ankle mobility and enhance your freestyle kick. So we begin by just foam rolling the calves. This is going to relax them and warm up our ankles for the following exercises. If you don't have a foam roller, you can use a metal water bottle. Simply roll backwards and forwards on your calf for about 5 minutes. We have dynamic ankle circles. This can be done either sitting or standing. Lift one foot off of the ground and draw big circles with your toes, moving clockwise and counterclockwise. Do 10 circles each direction per foot. Up next, we have toe points and flexes. Sit with your legs extended, point your toes as far forwards as possible, and then flex them back towards your shin. This should be done 15 to 20 times. So now that we're finished warming up, we're going to move on to some mobility exercises. Up first, we have standing calf raises with a toe stretch. Stand with your feet hip width apart and slowly raise your heels as high as possible, then lower them back down. After each rep, gently stretch your toes by curling them upwards. Do this 12 to 15 times. Seated ankle stretch. Sit on your heels with the tops of your feet flat on the ground and lean back slightly to deepen the stretch. You want to hold this for about 20 to 30 seconds and then do this twice. If you're on a hard floor like I am, you can put a cushion underneath your feet. This will make it much easier. Up next, we've banded ankle plantar flexion. So sit with your legs extended and you're going to loop a resistance band around the ball of one foot and then push against it as if you're going to point your toes and then return to the starting position. Do 10 to 15 reps per foot. If you don't have a resistance band, you can use a very light towel. Kneeling dorsiflexion stretch. Go down on one knee and enter the lunge position. Now push your hip forward so that your knee goes past your toes. Hold this position for about 20 to 30 seconds on both sides. And finally, we have a standing wall ankle stretch. So stand facing the wall with one foot in front of the other and bend the front knee while keeping the back heel down. Push the front knee towards the wall. Hold this for about 20 to 30 seconds. Up next, we have more strength-based exercises. So this is a really weird one. It's called toe towel curls. So place a towel on the floor and then use your toes to scrunch and pull the towel towards yourself. So you're going to do this maybe twice and you should really feel your ankles working. And up next, we have ankle alphabet. Sit or lie on your back and lift both feet off the ground and draw the alphabet with your toes, really exaggerating the movements. You should do one full alphabet from A to Z. To finish off, we're just going to be foam rolling our calves again, just to relax them. Make sure you spend extra time on the tight spots.